This is one of the best mascaras I've ever tried, and I just recently discarded because I've been using this one for the longest time, and this is like my 5th tube. But for some reason, I like never tried this one, but it is so good. It is so hard to do it not having the mirror in front of you. Oh my god, I'm so shiny. God, I should have used the powder. Okay. That's one coat on one eye. Okay, let's go for second coat. Okay, do we need a third coat? Let's see what happens with a third coat. I feel like my eyelashes on the left side are so much better than the right side, and I don't know why. And it's because I sleep a lot on my right side, like a lot more than on the left. Okay, that might be a bit of overkill, right? Okay, let's go for the bottom lashes as well. Just a little bit. All right, guys, that's it. Here's the end result. Let me know in the comments if you use that mascara and what you think about it. Bye.